Look guys, people are already at the pool. Yay, it's pool season. We're gonna go get chicken and waffles. Right babe? Excited? Okay. I'm super excited for chicken and waffles. People have been telling us to go here, so we finally got it. He said I was right, everybody. I totally missed it. Here we are though. Chicken and waffles. Super excited.
Hi, how are you?
Someone told us to get the one with the, it was with sauce on it. A chipotle sauce, no? Or sriracha?
Sriracha mayo, the holy chicken with the egg.
Yeah,
Sure.
we'll do one of those.
Yeah, I want one of those.
And then can we do the Bruxie original?
Sure.
But no veggies.
Of course.
Do we want waffle cup fries? Wait, is that a lot of food? She looks at me like it was a lot.
No, I mean, if you guys can eat a lot, I would definitely go with it.
Anything else you recommend?
I would definitely recommend one of our sides. The fried pickles are really good.
Yeah, fried pickles, of course. And then I need food or drink.
Want a drink?
Yes, but our soda machine is broken right now. We do have the lemonade, the Palmer, the iced tea, coffee. We have cocktails.
But I heard they have really good sodas, the sugar cane sodas. Here's the menu if you wanted to see. Chicken and waffles. This is right outside of New York, New York. So if you're coming to town to do the hockey game, make sure you stop by and get some of this chicken and waffles. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, they brought it. Look at this. So one of you recommended this. What was it called? The holy chicken?
Holy chicken.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We got fried pickles, creme brulee.
Creme brulee with strawberries.
Yeah, of course I got strawberry Tito's.
My Goose IPA, which you've seen me drink before. You know I love it.
And what is this one, the original?
I was putting a hitch on the back of the truck.
Alright, we're doing a review of food here and you're talking about dirt on your arm. Just kidding. Anyway, so we got the original. Obviously chicken and waffles. I'm so excited, babe. I don't even know what to eat first. What do you think? Try pickle. This place is cool and we came at a perfect time. It's not like super busy. There's hardly anyone in here. Is it good? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright guys, peace out. We'll let you know how we like it at the end. Verdict is delicious. I definitely recommend this place. We ate quite a bit of food. It was so good. But I guess we're calling that the end of the video. Peace out, Las Vegas. We love you. Cheers. Resort World. You guys, this is crazy. Anyway, people wanted to see the status of Resort World. Here it is. Sorry it's so bright. Holy moly, look at all that